Hello everyone and welcome to another Investillionaire special. In this video we'll be taking a look at a project that we are super excited about and that we believe has a strong potential to perform very well in the coming days and weeks and years to come, and that is the Polygon project, which was formerly called a MATIC project, as well as the MATIC token and our price forecast for it. But before we start, like always, we kindly invite you to go ahead and join our growing community and family by smashing the like button, subscribing to the channel, and hitting the notification bell button as well. Now let's go ahead and get started. So here we are on CoinMarketCap, trying to see what Polygon is all about. So scrolling down, we do see what is Polygon MATIC. So Polygon, previously MATIC Network, is the first well-structured, easy-to-use platform for Ethereum scaling and infrastructure development. Its core component is Polygon SDK, a modular, flexible framework that supports building multiple types of applications. Using Polygon, one can create optimistic roll-up chains, ZK rollup chains, standalone chains, or any other kind of infrastructure required by the developer. Polygon effectively transforms Ethereum into a full-fledged multi-chain system, so an internet of blockchains. This multi-chain system is akin to other ones such as Polkadot, Cosmos, Avalanche, etc., with the advantages of Ethereum's security, vibrant ecosystem, and openness. So basically, this project is building an Ethereum internet of blockchains that's going to be compatible with Ethereum. So all the developers that are going to use Ethereum, they're going to be able to easily integrate with this platform. So then they have the MATIC token, will continue to exist and will play an increasingly important role securing the system and enabling governance. So Polygon is a layer 2 scaling solution backed by Binance and Coinbase. This project seeks to stimulate mass adoption of cryptocurrencies by resolving the problems of scalability of many blockchains. So they're trying to improve on a lot of things for the Ethereum network. So one of them is the scalability problem. Scalability, in addition to security, speed, and gas fees, as we will see later on when we dive deeper into their website. So Polygon combines the Plasma framework and the proof-of-stake blockchain architecture. The Plasma framework, used by Polygon as proposed by the co-founder of Ethereum, allows for the easy execution of scalable and autonomous smart contracts. So this is a very, very huge project. Look at the transactions. So they're going to have a very high amount of transactions per second. So 65,000 transactions per second. And also they have a team of developers backing this project. This project is also open source. That means anybody can contribute to this project if they wish to do so. And they have a lot of documentation, as we will see in a bit when we go into their website to dig deeper into it. So for now, this project, let's take a look at the tokenomics for this project. So right now the project is sitting at 11.5 billion market cap, and the trading volume over the past 24 hours was 5 billion. We do see also the circulating supply right now of 6.1 billion tokens, and we do see that the max supply is going to be 10 billion tokens. Now, taking a look at the price, we do see also that the price has went up absolutely parabolic since the beginning of the year. So the beginning of the year, it was under 5 cents during the end of January, and now look at the price right now is at $1.88. So it is going parabolic for great reason, and we believe this is just the beginning. The price will keep going up higher and higher because this project is solving a huge problem for the blockchain. And so now let's take a look also at the markets where you can have this project, where you can buy the token. So the markets right now, it's available on Binance and Coinbase. So this is a huge news. So this project is here to go. As we read previously, it is kind of supported by Binance and Coinbase. So this project is here to stay. The risk is minimal in this project, and we believe that the price will skyrocket in the coming years. So now let's go ahead and take a look deeper into their website to get more info on this project. So their website is polygon.technology. So taking a look at their website, we do see that Ethereum's Internet of Blockchains. Polygon is a protocol and a framework. So it's two things. It's a protocol and a framework for building and connecting Ethereum compatible blockchain networks, aggregating scalable solutions on Ethereum, supporting a multi-chain Ethereum ecosystem. So it's built by developers for the developers. Basically, the problems that we have with the current blockchains are, one, the high gas fees, slow transaction speeds, and also security. So what they're doing with this project is they are fixing all these stuff, fixing the low throughput, fixing the high gas fees, and all of that is going to be coming with the Polygon. So with Polygon, they're going to have a protocol and a framework to solve this problem specifically for the Ethereum blockchain. So we do see the features here that we have. It's Ethereum compatible. So that's huge news because there is a lot of investment that has gone in. A lot of blockchain developers, they're already familiar with Ethereum. So with this being Ethereum compatible, you know, all the tech stacks, all the tools, all the languages and standards, they're already there. So they're dominating the industry. They're just adopting it. So that's why a lot of developers are going to jump into this project, because they're already going to be working with stuff that they have already seen before, right? So scalability as well. They're going to have scalable solutions. They're going to provide a security as a service feature. And as well, you can see that they're trying to get to zero gas transactions, and they're helping the developers with having something that is already familiar with the Ethereum blockchain. So right now there is already projects actually that are using the Polygon architecture, and one of them is Polymarket. So Polymarket is one of the most popular prediction markets in the blockchain. So if you haven't seen this project before, let's take a look into it. So Polymarket, basically this is Polymarket here. You can bet on certain events that are happening. So for example, you can make a bet here on will Dogecoin reach $1 at any point before June 15? You can do yes or no. Again, you have the volume. So it's already live. It's already being used. You can bet on all these stuff. You can even search for other things. You just need to sign up, and then you will be able to use it. So this is a project already there, and all these other projects are there. We're not gonna look into them deeper, but you can check them out if you want. For example, SportX is a platform where you can bet on sport events in particular. So it's catered more to the sport fans. So you know, matches, any soccer matches, basketball, any kind of sport, you're gonna be able to bet on the events, the outcomes of these matches, and you're gonna earn cryptocurrencies by that. So like we said before, that the team, there's a big team working on it, a bunch of blockchain developers, and as well as having the project open source. So open source means that anybody can see the project, anybody can contribute, and so that means it's more transparent, and at the same time a bigger community can support this project, a bigger community of developers. So now let's go ahead and take a look closely into the core technology. What is the core technology that is behind the Polygon? Now we get the point, what they're trying to do, the challenges they're trying to solve, some applications they have, but what is the core of their technology? So let's take a look into that. So technology, taking a look into their technology, foundation for the Internet of Value and People. So Polygon provides core components. Scrolling down here, we do see that Polygon technology is materialized through two major components. So basically Polygon is a framework and also a protocol. So When they say it's a framework, basically what they mean, it's kind of something that's already built that the developers can come and use themselves, right? So with that, they can deploy Ethereum compatible blockchains. You can do one-click deployment of these blockchains. So it's a framework, it's something very big. And also they have a lot of modules that can be incorporated. For example, pluggable staking, governance, dispute resolvers. So anybody that wants, all the developers that want to build their own custom blockchains, they can do that using this Polygon framework. And on the other hand, also Polygon is a protocol, so it's a protocol for passing messages between any participating Polygon chains. So you can pass messages between Polygon chain and Ethereum, and also it provides a security as a service. So what this means is that the developers, if they don't want to implement the security themselves, they can rely on this protocol to provide them with security, which is going to reduce the development effort time that is needed for the developers to get up to speed with their protocols. Now, also taking a look here, you can see that the types of chains that Polygon has. So they have two types of major chains. So the first one is called a standalone network, and the other networks are the networks that leverage the security as a service. So for the security as a service, the secured chains, they already have an implementation for it, which is called MATIC Plasma. So if you hear MATIC Plasma, which is already live, it is basically a security as a service, which we just talked about. And also you can check out, they have a lot of documentation and they have all these things coming up too. And as far as the standalone chains are concerned, their implementation is the MATIC POS chains. So these chains are kind of standalone, and they take charge of their own security. So they have their own pool of validators. And so they're more independence and flexibility for the developers that really want to take control 100% of their blockchain. So with that being said, this is huge. You can also check the documentation. Let's take a look at their documentation, which is a big factor. So as you can see, the main point, what really sells the developers on any project, is the amount of documentation that is available. Because as of developers, they need to have a way to know, how does this work? How does this project work? And MATIC is actually, they are delivering well. They have a very good documentation that anybody can follow. So this is a big plus. So you can get all the information from installing the software development kits and getting it set up, as well as to calling the contracts, and other informations related to the API. So this is going to make the developer's life easier, and is going to allow for more more adoption of this project. So with that being said, we believe that this is just the beginning for this project. Now you might see that the price has already gone up, but remember that we are still early into the crypto space. This project can go absolutely parabolic, so we do believe that this is just the beginning. It can at least go to $10 from this point very rapidly, we would say. So now is a great opportunity to get into this project that we are super excited about. So this project is a project that you can hold for the long term, knowing that it's gonna skyrocket, because it is very valuable, as we have demonstrated to you. But again, remember guys, this is not financial advice. We are not financial advisors. This video is made only for entertainment and educational purposes, and you should always do your own due diligence and your own research before investing into any asset class. And always remember to diversify your portfolio. And with that being said, we hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.